What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy TGK. Today we got a special episode. We got a hanger box of NBA hoop cards from the 2019-2020 season. So that lets you know that we're looking for that Zion, we're looking for that Ja, we're looking for those cards right there. So without further ado, without wasting your time, let's get straight to it. Let's go. And before we get started, if you're new to this channel, please consider subscribing. The videos that I do are just random. We just have a lot of fun on here. Whatever comes to mind, we just do it. That's why it's called TGK TV. TV is just whatever we broadcast. So if you really like what we've been doing lately, please leave a like, leave a comment, subscribe to the channel, and let's get started. All right, guys. So as you see, we got the NBA Hoops 2019-2020 season. We got 20 cards in here per box. It says to find the 4 hanger box exclusives, purple disco prisms per box on average. So there's 4 of them in here apparently. And then it says look for a hanger box exclusive rookie variation. So hopefully we find some Zions or some Ja, you know. And we got some premium sleeves up in here from Pro Support, not sponsored. So I'm open to a sponsorship for some sleeves, guys. So let's go ahead and let's get this started. All right, let's start with opening the box. All right, I've been holding on to this box for an entire month now. I got this on like April the 2nd, I think, or April the 1st. And we about to see what we get out of here. Let's go ahead and open this box. Oh wow, that's how it's coming with it. Oh wow. All right. That's it. This is it right here. This is the first time I'm opening something like this. Again, a lot of the sport items that I have never opened before. So let's go ahead and start. The first card here. Ooh, nice. We got a Michael Porter Jr., Denver Nuggets. We got a Gordon Hayward. Nice. Got a Chris Paul. A Zach LaVine, Chicago Bulls. And it looks like every NBA Hoops box does that, where they flip upside down. Rudy Gay, Steven Rudy Gobert, Joel Embiid, possible MVP candidate. All right. Got a Luka Samanic. Don't quote me. Mario Shayok. Cameron Johnson. Justin James. Oh, well, it's DeAndre Hunter. Rookie card, Atlanta Hawks. It's pretty dope. I don't like how you can see me in a reflection. A Klay Thompson. Oh, that's dope. Looks nice. I like that. Let's say PJ Tucker. Okay. Current Milwaukee Buck. Got an Austin Rivers. I have no idea where he's at. I'm assuming the 76ers. Wendell Carter Jr. He is now a Orlando Magic, if I remember correctly. We got a Wilson Chandler. A Justin Jackson, who is now a Oklahoma City Thunder. Oh, a Ben Simmons frequent Flyers card. All right, guys, so these were my favorite pulls out of this box today. So let me know what you think about the pulls that came out of this box and what your experience has been out of unboxing the hanger box from NBA Hoops from this year. Let me know what pulls you've had and what you think about mine. Anyway, guys, been your boy TGK. I'm going to catch y'all on the next one.